Friends, running kimono here. We have some Walgreens magic, Rite Aid cheapies, and 3 free items over at Family Dollar. Oh my gosh, even if you're not a big Family Dollar shopper, this is the week to try and get in there and look around. Because there's nothing better than free items. So the first store we're going to touch on is Walgreens, and I just wanted to show you a clearance find that I found in the regular summer toy aisle. These 10 packs of these Play-Dohs, here's the UPC. They're down to $1.39, so my guess it's 80% off, part of Easter, still in the store, and I found 2 of them. I also found one of these Tide Pod lights at $9.79. We have a $3 digital, dropping this down to $6.79. Now, if you can possibly find 2 of these on clearance, there's a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Just another alternative deal if you are so lucky. And then the last clearance item I'm going to talk about, and I'm still finding it in the app, is the Cascade. The 3.5 pound box of powder is $1.99, and the pods were $3.99 with the $2 digital coupon. Top right hand corner is $1.99. So I used a lot of Walgreens cash to stock up on the cheap Cascade. What a deal it's been since the weekend. Okay, I'm going to show you the basket that I did, and I did this as a curbside pickup, meaning I had this booster loaded. I ordered this through the phone, drove to the store and picked it up. I got 5 of the toilet papers and 6 of the paper towels priced at $5. We have these digital coupons that are $1 off of each. And then if you head over to your Shopmium, if you loaded it earlier in the week, we have $1 back for each product. And we can qualify for that as we're only using 2 digital coupons. So my overall basket for 11 of those products is $42.50. Free curbside pickup, tax, my $2 melting off. With my debit card, I'm paying $43.05, getting back $20 in Walgreens cash. 10 for spending $35 on Scott products, and then the 10 back for $40. And then I also photographed my receipt to Shopmium for another $2 back. So it makes it like, $18-ish for the entire basket. It's really fantastic to get this many paper products so cheap. So back at Rite Aid, we have this booster this week, which is a 5 back when you spend $25. This is the email one. There's also a flyer one, whichever one you wish to use at checkout. What I did for this was I kind of went off the menu. I didn't go for weekly deals because they're really not providing us a lot of weekly deals right now. When's the last time you've seen a Tide, spend 30, get back 10? It hasn't been happening because I know they're closing a lot of their stores, and now they have this new springtime. Here's an aisle of clearance stuff. So what I decided to do is something a little unorthodox, was just buy clearance merchandise. How far can I stretch those dollars and cents? $25 is the magic number, so I got a Chic Intuition on clearance for $4.99, a Zerabee for $3 and some change, those Degree dry sprays for $2.99 a pop, and the Aloe Vera for $6.24 each. I did have a couple paper coupons and some digitals, so I'm going to show you them. These were actually found in the store, and it's $2 off of each of those dry sprays. The limit is up to 2, so I didn't push that one. And then for the Aloe Vera, the last time I bought one of these printed, and then boom, here it is. So I'm happy to get another $3 off. And I have a $4 for that Chic refill. For the Intuition razor, making that 99 cents. I mean, that's amazing. And Zerabee, I have a $3 off. There was a register reward printing for that guy, but no longer, so I just picked up one with the digital coupon. 2 of the Degree dry sprays for $5.98, 2 Aloe Veras for $12.48, 1 Zerabee Child for $3.24, 1 Chic Intuition refill for $4.99, for a total of $26.29. At this point, I got the cashier to scan my 5 back when you spend $25. That's of a one-time use as well, guys. I had the two $2 coupons for the Degree sprays the cashier scanned, and the $3 for the Aloe Vera, which came out of the Catalina machine last time I shopped there. And then I also had $7 in digitals melting off, 3 for the Zerabee, and $4 for the Chic. So I rolled $12.69 in bonus cash and earned back 5. And then I got back $6 from IBOTTA, $3 back for each Aloe Vera. So it made my haul $1.69, and that's a little something called not too shabby. Now we're at the Dollar General, and yesterday there was a penny list of the Path and Stream fishing products that pennied out. A harder item to find because not every store sells fishing products. And you'd think that I live in the country, every Dollar General would just have these like overwhelming amount of fishing stuff. It's exceptionally hard to find. So I think this must be older stock. Maybe some of you Dollar General generals can let me know in the comments down below. But this is what it's called, Path and Stream. Hopefully I said that right. But with this logo, it should be ringing up a penny. Oh, it says 2023. Who knows what the story is? Here is the UPC. All I did was find 6 of these fishing lines. So I'll have to figure out something to do with those. But here's my receipt and the UPC again. It's ringing up a penny. So, you know, if you're at the Dollar General, maybe check end caps or, you know, where they have the tools and all that stuff. I found this on an end cap right near the tools section. So I know at this one store, they had a whole thing of lures and magic, but maybe when it was 90%, people started buying it. I don't know what the deal is there, but definitely look in this aisle with all the tools, paintbrushes, masking tape, like household things to fix your house. And I found there was an entire end cap of fishing lures, and they took them off the floor. But I did find the fishing line on an end cap, so be on the lookout for that. So now we're at Family Dollar, and this is kind of interesting. If you can find an end cap with clearance, especially cleaning clearance, you might have to look around the store. They had these old bottles of the Mr. Clean on clearance for $3. So they had the Unstoppables, the lemon scent, and also the pet one, all at $3. I think the easiest way to find it is to actually go in the store and look around. We have a $3 digital coupon, completely making this guy for free. I got the Unstoppable scent, and it worked perfectly yesterday. And so load that coupon ASAP, because who doesn't like one of these multi-surface cleaners for free? And they've changed the bottle to concentrate the liquid, so you'd use a lot less liquid to make it. Obviously put more water in it. But if you like these, definitely be on the lookout for them. Also, there's a lot of Christmas stuff still in my neighborhood. So I found one of these small spaces, and it was $2.25. We have a $2.30 digital coupon, so it made it free. And there is no overage over at the good old Family Dollar. To show you the receipt, Mr. Clean, and then my small space, I just paid the tax on these 2 items, which is awesome. At another store, I found one of these Fig and Plum Febreze. Look for it in the clearance section. Again, even ask an employee if you can't find it. We have a $2.30 digital coupon on that. Sorry, I don't have a picture, but it made it free. And this is all once per store card. And I mean, who doesn't like these little freebies? I certainly do. And the last store that we have is Big Lots. I think Easter on Monday hit 90% off, and all the big stores, you know, Walgreens, Target, Walmart, they all hit their 90. I never made it out to any of the stores, but people are kind of exhausted of buying Easter stuff. So when this rolls around at Big Lots, this is when I stock up for the next year. Just to show you some of the items, we have the M&M bark for 49 cents. The original price was $4.99, and I found that in the regular food aisle. We have some decals for the window for the kiddos, 99 cents down to 9 cents. We have some Tootsie Pops for 19 cents. I think the price was $1.19 or something like that. And then $2.99 for those cute little bags down to 29 cents. So for my cart, I think I paid just under $3 and I got a ton of stuff. The lollipops, Dum-Dums for 29 cents. The original price was $2.99. $2.99 for those coloring kits as well. I got one for all the different families in our family, so 29 cents right there. And then the Peeps, it was a little slime thing for 29 cents. The eggs, these packs were like pretty sizable as well, 25 cents. So I can definitely do Easter on the cheap, and I got all the kids' baskets for $0.25. So how do you make baskets for your nieces and nephews when you have like a bunch? Shop 90%. And definitely people are exhausted of shopping clearance Easter because they've gotten their fill at Hobby Lobby, Target, pick whatever store. So Big Lots and Dollar Generals will be our 2 secret weapons to really stock up for cheap, cheap, cheap Easter. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.